We're going to be having somebody phenomenal come up on our next live event, okay? And that person will be no other person but Chris, dude.
Client says, oh, I want a logo. It's going to give me notice. How should you respond?
I'd ask did you try promotions or giveaways?
Perfect.
Right.
Okay. So what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to hold the client's needs above ours. That's what it means to be of service to someone.
Hi guys, EKD here, and I'll be going straight to the point. You know, in your career of endeavor, there has to be some time that you must have thought if there were a shortcut to take, okay? Because most times when you look at your contemporaries, you look at those ahead of you, they seem to have gone very, 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 very far. And you begin to wonder, is there a shortcut to take so that I can just follow this shortcut and just get there, okay? Some persons will say that there is no shortcut, and you'll be expecting me to give you the answer that there is no shortcut. Actually, there is. So what then is that shortcut? Gleaning from other person's experiences. If you see anybody in any area of endeavor, maybe in design, in creativity, in business, that has gotten to an enviable level, if you could trace back, you would find out that in that path the person took, there are times where the person made mistakes. There are times where the person got it right, okay? So if you sit with such person and tell the person or ask questions so you don't get to make such mistakes, you get to collapse your own journey, okay? You get to collapse the time you take in your own journey. Now tell me, is that not a shortcut? If you think that is amazing, then listen to what I'm about to say, okay? If you've noticed this channel and noticed me on social media, most times I have live events with people who have gone ahead of me, okay? I tend to glean from their experiences, and it has been that I try not to be the only beneficiary, okay? I tend to carry my community along. We're going to be having somebody phenomenal come up on our next live event, okay? And that person will be no other person but the Chris dude. When I posted this for the first time, most of us were asking, is he going to come really? Is he going to be here, or is it just some AI thing? Are you going to do some, I know you know how to edit, you're going to do some crazy things and just cut his video into it. He is going to be around, and it's going to be a live event on Instagram, okay? If you know Chris do very well, he's somebody that is very enlightened, okay, when it comes to business and even design, someone that has built an empire, okay? And we tagged this event, What Will Chris Do? I know that's quite interesting because his name is included in it, Chris Do. What will Chris do? What will Chris do? Wow, EKD, you know how to name this. But that is not the most interesting fact, because that title is not for fancy, okay? We're going to be having Chris be in 5 interesting scenarios. 5, I will not say interesting, 5 critical business scenarios, okay? 5 points where, as a business person, a creative person, you have to make a decision, and not just a decision, an intelligent one. So we are going to have Chris be in such scenario, and we are going to get to know what he would do in such case. So how would all this benefit those that will be watching? Those that will be watching must have been in such scenario or would be in such scenario in future. So you get to know what you should do intelligently, because Chris is somebody that is very intelligent, and we are hoping to just put him on the spot to just know if he's going to freeze or he's going to get to tell us something. But certainly I know he's going to get to tell us something, because he's filled with so much wisdom and so much knowledge concerning business, creativity, and everything.
Here's the number one mistake that you make. You're just gonna put your logos like this on a grid. That's all you're gonna do. So what you're doing is you're just selling the mark and not what the mark feels like in application. So what you need to do is, because these people don't have a great imagination, you have to close the imagination gap. You have to put the logo on things for them. So they're like, wow, oh my gosh, this is a really important logo.
So guys, you don't want to miss it. We'll be coming up on the 5th of December, on Instagram. That's my Instagram. So if you've not followed me on Instagram, then you are missing out. You have to follow Creative EKD. Follow me on Instagram so we can wait for that day together, okay? If you've not subscribed to the channel, you have to subscribe. Just guess, if Chris Du can come this time, guess who's going to be next? And I'm really honored to have him. I'm really honored. And guess what? Chris is eager to meet with you guys, both my Instagram community, my YouTube community, and even the Telegram community we have. So if you've not joined, do all your best to join. Subscribe, join this community. Do well to subscribe, do well to share to as many. If you find any business fellow out there or any creative personnel, please share this video to them. Be your brother's keeper. I know it will benefit you, but you have to share it to somebody. Chris will be in Africa, or let me say in Nigeria, through the airwaves on the 5th of December, okay? For any information or any questions you may have, do not fail to be in my DM. Okay? So guys, it was my pleasure making this announcement to you, and now you know what to do with it. Share it, okay? I remain EKD. See you next time.